Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial for you guys and I'm wearing Eullair hair. I'm wearing a 26-inch deep wave and this is a Lacefront wig. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so this is what the hair looks like right now. What I'm gonna be doing is I've already kind of like plucked it and I put powder on the lace. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off my ear tabs and then I'm gonna begin to apply the wig. So when I do this, pull this down. Here, so this part is down. The hair feels really good, but only issue I'm having is that the knots really didn't bleach. Yeah, so the knots didn't bleach, but you know I use my powder, so I'm gonna go ahead and put more powder on it so I can hide the knots a little bit. So here's the first part, and here's the first part. Here's the other ear tab. So this is how it's looking right now. Alright y'all, so I have the hair parted. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Laura Mercier banana powder and I'm just doing that so I can kind of know where my part is and know where to not go too far above. Alright y'all, so now I didn't even know it was so bad. I'm gonna go ahead and put down the glue. So bam 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 bam. I'm actually waiting for this to get more clear. You don't want to pack it up when you can still see it. That'll just cause it to be white. Alright y'all, so it's finally cleared up. I'm gonna go ahead and do my second layer. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it down a little bit and let's see if this lace will at least melt. Okay guys, so even though the knots didn't bleach, the lace isn't looking that bad as I lay it down. It's actually fixing out to be okay. I was kind of worried. god, I think the last video that I filmed, I had this exact shirt on and I had middle part with curly hair. I need to stop wearing this. I'm wearing this shirt in so many fucking videos. Let me see how I look with the middle part. No, because the part's too short. If you guys didn't know, this was a Lacefront. I'm not too sure if this is deep wave or deep curly, but I'll definitely have it listed right here in the description box. The part is actually a nice fucking size, so that's one thing that I am actually shocked about, because Lacefront parts be so small. It actually doesn't look bad. I can actually work with this. This is the Lacefront, so the back of course has adjustable straps. And I always just tie one strap and then I take the other strap and I just clip it together. I usually don't clip it into a wig, I just clip the two straps together. Alright, so now I'm just going to take a small makeup brush about this size and I'm just going to grab that in the hair just to basically like tie the knots a little bit more, because the knots are definitely there. I'm gonna go ahead and begin to do my baby hairs. So first thing I'm gonna do is a front swoop, of course. And I'm gonna take right here. I think this will be a nice place to do the front swoop. And I'm gonna take right here. I'm gonna take my razor, shred, 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 right here. Push that down. Then I'm gonna take my gel. I'm just going to be taking the baby hair and swooping it into my hair, just like this.
What we do here is go back.
So I've officially finished doing all my baby hairs. And this is what it's kind of look like now. Alright, and then I'm gonna just take my wax stick again and just wax that part down. Alright you guys, so now that I've let my baby hairs dry, I'm going to be taking my face powder and I'm going to be dipping it and patting it into the lace to basically cover up the lace and cover up some of the knots. Alright y'all, so this is basically how it's looking right now. And these are how my curls look. I'm gonna go ahead and put some water on my curls and I'll be back. So I tried not to over wet the hair because I don't like my hair being too big. I'm going to be taking my noodle head, and this is by BTZ. You can find this at your local Sally's. I'm gonna put some at the top and then I'm gonna run it through my hair right now. And I'm gonna take some of the hair from the back. I think the hair is pretty. It's just the lace in the knots not bleaching, but overall the hair is pretty. Alright, so now that I've brushed the hair and everything, you guys can see the natural curl pattern of it. It's not too wet because I don't like my hair too wet. But it's super pretty. I got a little comb head, low key. So yeah. And then do a little comb through because that's gonna give it, like, when it dries up, it gives it like this nice, you can kind of see it. It gives it like this really pretty wave. So this is the end tutorial. I hope this was helpful for you. You guys make sure you guys check out Eullair hair. I actually have all the information listed down below, so y'all can catch this tea on this hair. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. My two broke nails. Kind of